Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read kita or hoku in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means north. It has 5 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like hoku. On its own, it is usually kita. 2 people turned back to back, away from the cold north wind. Now let's write it. 5 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Kita, kita means north. Kitaguchi, kitaguchi means north exit. And touhoku, touhoku means northeast. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. He read he to compare. Ka read ka to change. Notice the small differences. So that's kita, north. 5 strokes. Read kita or hoku. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.